One time for the birthday chick. Two times for the birthday chick. Three times for the birthday chick. Go ahead and visit your birthday chick. Get up.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Good afternoon, good evening, good night, good morning, depending on where you are in the world. It is October 21st, Saturday. I am on my way back in the house. I had to run some errands, pick up my package. I had to go to the store really quickly. I'm about to get dressed. For those of you who do not know, tomorrow, October 22nd, is my birthday. I will be, none of your business, years old. I am going to take pictures. I'm still in New York, guys. I'm going to take pictures today with a friend. Well, a friend is taking pictures of me today. So I have to hurry up and go get dressed. I have a feeling that I'm going to be late. Running on CPT, you know how that go. So I'm going to get dressed, and after the photo shoot, I really don't know what I'm doing, but it's so beautiful outside. I'm actually burning up because I got this jacket on. So I don't know what I'm doing afterwards, but today I'm trying to have as much fun as possible because my birthday tomorrow. So I'm gonna holler at y'all, I guess, after I get dressed and stuff, because I just got a lot to do and I move kind of slow because I like to take my time. So yeah, I will get back at you later. Hey y'all, so I am just getting off the bus, about to get on the 7 train so that I can head to 74th Street to get the F to get to downtown Brooklyn. That's where I'm taking my pictures today. It's a very nice, conservative area. Well, maybe not conservative, but it's a very nice area. So I'm excited because I think this is my first time.
Yeah, I think this is my first time.
You know what you did, Shay? It's my first time going there, so I'm excited. I'll show y'all what I'm wearing later, but right now I'm trying to like hurry up. I got on these heels and I'm trying to like walk as fast as I can. People in my way too, so I should have got my nails done, y'all. I'm not a like getting my nails done to me right now is not a priority in my life. I got other stuff to worry about, but eventually that'll be something that I include in my daily, well, not daily, but like my routine of maintenance, you know what I mean, self-maintenance, because I think that every girl should keep their nails and their feet done, you know, or at least if you're not gonna get your feet done in the winter and fall, like the colder seasons, at least you should do it very often when it's summer and when it's spring, like when it's hot outside. But yeah, so yep, that's what I'm doing. I'm about to go underground to catch the train to 74th Street, and then I catch the F, and then I take the F all the way there to Brooklyn. So that is what I'm doing, and I guess I will update you guys. Later. All right, y'all, just ran into, don't you know how like when you like walking on the street and stuff, and you guys see like people trying to like witness to you, and they be talking about like Jesus and all of that. Do you know where you're going when you die and stuff like that? So this girl came up to me or whatever, and like she was real cool in the beginning. At first I was like, okay, what did this girl want? And then I kind of like put two and two together, and I was like, okay, she must be one of them. And normally I get irritated, like, okay, they be doing the most, they be getting on my nerves. But you know, I was tense at first because I was like, but then I just kind of like loosened up, and you know, just kind of had to like put myself in check. You know what I'm saying? Like, just because somebody is trying to like witness to you, look at it as a good thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at it as there are still believers out here. There are still people that's really trying to do what is right and live according to God. You know what I mean? So,
Look nice.
thank you. And
Let me see that.
I don't know. Sade.
That's dope. You did that?
Thank you. No.
Bought it like that?
Yeah.
How much? 60?
Yeah.
Mine's gonna be 70.
Sorry. But yeah, guys, I just feel like, you know, we don't always have to be so tense. You know what I mean? Like, just because somebody is coming up to you trying to not necessarily preach to you, like if their approach is obviously like aggressive, like, oh my God, you need to get your life right or you going to hell type thing, that's a different story. But like if they're kind of like, if they have like a soft approach, you know, they start off with conversation, yeah, it could be like a little annoying because you already know where it's going. But just kind of like, just hear them out or just have a conversation with them, you know what I mean? And just talk to them, you know, because it's not a bad thing. It's really not. So yeah, that's basically all I wanted to say. Like, I didn't want to, you know, I didn't want to like preach or anything because I'm not a preacher, you know. So yeah, I'm still waiting though. I'm still waiting on Pablo, that's his name, Pablo, to get to me. So yeah, it's nice out. It's about 70 something degrees, so I'm enjoying the weather. I'm gonna meet up with one of my friends that I met. It's a girl. After this, I guess, and then yeah, probably go get some drinks, some food, because oh my God, y'all, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Like, I could, but she doesn't eat meat, so it's like I don't really know like what to go for, you know what I mean? I mean, she could find something on the menu from anywhere, but you know, I just kind of like want to accommodate to her, so we'll see. But I'll hit you guys later after I figure out after I meet up with Pablo and stuff. So alright guys, see ya. I'm back. Sorry, I'm vlogging. Meet my friend Pablo.
I know Pablo Noriega.
Say what's goody. We just wrapped our little mini shoot or whatever. Be prepared, because these pictures are kind of lit though. Like, I surprised myself. I ain't even gonna fake. Like, I kind of did surprise myself. I thought I was gonna be extra stiff. I mean, I still was stiff, but I actually pulled through. Your girl pulled through just a little bit, you know. You feel me? So I'm about to go meet up with Shay so that we can go out. I'm real hungry. I don't know. She don't eat meat, so it's like I gotta figure out or we gotta figure out like a common place. Even though I feel like she could eat pretty much anywhere, find something on the menu anywhere, because she doesn't eat meat. But I don't know, we'll figure it out. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. My feet low-key hurt. I should have bought my Vans, but I didn't want to like bring like a purse. I just wanted to bring my clutch or like a backpack. I didn't want to do, so it is what it is. But yeah, y'all, I guess I'll call y'all back when I get on the train or something. All right.
Go outside?
Nope. Hey guys, so I met up with that's Shay. Oh my god, so we are on our way to the restaurant.
What's the name of the restaurant?
Hey look, she corrected me already. The name of the restaurant is Mason Pickle.
Mr.
Mason Pickle. And it's the bomb, y'all. It's like southern cuisine and all of that. Hold on, somebody texted me. This ghetto. I'm sorry. We could keep it as friends. I don't know how to tell him that though. Like I don't know how to not say it in a mean way. Like, cause either way that you say it, I know.
Perfect way to say it, really.
Y'all, we're not talking about nothing, I promise.
I don't know, because I'm so blocked with it. I always say it like, I don't know how to tell someone not to say that.
Same. Like, it's bad, kind of. Like, people think that I'm like extra nice, which I am, but sometimes, but I used to be worse. Like, I used to have no filter at all. But like, over the years, I just kind of like, yeah, because I know that my mouth is reckless. Like, and it's not that I'm trying to hurt people's feelings, it's just that, it's just the way that it comes out. Like, but. Oh my god, it's so bad.
They just take it off at 34th Street, right?
42nd, I think. Well, we could get off at 30. Didn't yours say 34th? Yeah, guys. So,
Still
I don't
here.
Oh, we're not talking about nothing. I promise you. We don't have nothing to say right now. Like, our feet hurt. For real. Like, our feet are like this.
But her shoes are cute though.
Yep. Be cute. It pays to be cute, honey. Alright. So I guess I'll just call y'all back when we get off the train. I know y'all tired of me saying that. Like, I'm gonna call y'all back, but seriously, I'm gonna call you back. I always do, right? Alright.
No, she not.
Alright, y'all, for real. Alright, we can go. I'm not about to go. Hey. Oh. Oh. Alright, y'all, we made it. Sorry, I'm oily. Real oily.
Oh my god.
Hey.
She vlogs.
I'm vlogging.
They can't see. It's mad blurry.
But yeah, so we made it to our stop. Thank God we don't have to walk that long to the place. Our feet hurt. Okay? Our feet are killing.
Shoe cam, boo. Shoe cam.
Shoe cam. Wait, can I see? Shoe cam sounding like Wendy Williams.
Right?
Ew.
She's talking about people, but listen, she's talking about people every day, so shit.
Listen, Wendy, if you watching this, and if
She needed a
I become acquainted with you later on in life or soon, whatever, listen, you need to change your ways. From sister to sister, me keeping it real. Change your ways, boo, because it's not cute.
And you need a breast reduction, babe.
You shaped like the letter P. And you do too much. Like, that's why nobody like you. You need to, I'm not saying don't be yourself, but you need to, like, stop talking about everybody. Alright, alright, Broadway. Yeah.
You know how she always talking about somebody else's business?
Yes.
But then
Hold
when
on.
it came out that her husband was cheating on her,
I'm stuck. Y'all, I did not show you guys my food, but trust me when I tell you it was the bomb.
it was amazing. Oh my god, that spinach. Spinach. Oh my god.
Y'all, like, let me tell y'all. So we got drinks, right? And they're a little strong. So we feeling it just a little bit. Keep in mind, we don't really drink like that, so anymore. So, you know, we kind of feeling it a little bit. So everything is all jokes. But they about to bring out like this sparkling cake or whatever because it's my birthday. But yeah, the food was good. The conversation was good. That's why I didn't want to really vlog, you know. Because like I'm trying to get in the habit of like whoever I'm at dinner with, give them my full of undivided attention. Because I feel like it's kind of rude when you're on your phone, you know. So yeah. I got a drink called the Razzle, so it's like got some berries in it. I don't know what type of alcohol it is, but it's effective. Shay, what kind of drink you have?
It is so strong. I don't think I can finish it. I'm gonna try.
What is it called?
Oh, Mason Punch.
Mason.
Yes, Mason Punch. I recommend it.
We not drunk, y'all. We not drunk. We haven't had drinks in a while, so it's a little lit, just a little bit, just enough, right? Keep it cute or put it on mute. Keep it cute or put it on mute, for sure. Oh, y'all. All right, so when they come back out with the sparkling shit, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back, okay? I'm gonna call y'all back. She more excited than I am. Like, whose birthday is it? Nah. It's gonna be cool though. My phone is only on 20% though, y'all, so I really do gotta call y'all back. Like, I'm not BSing y'all. Alright? Alright. Yeah, I gotta save my battery. I gotta reserve it for sure. Alright.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
Move your phone.
Nothing.
You think you can do this to me?
Huh? Movie? Alright. I'm vlogging.
I'm trying to see you.
Oh.
One time for the birthday chick, two times for the birthday chick, 3 times for the birthday cheer. Go ahead and visit your birthday cheer. Get up if it's your birthday. Get up if it's your birthday. Get up if it's your birthday. Get up if it's your birthday.